What's going on, everyone? It's Alex here from Aleks Physio. So today we're going to be going over a quick DIY technique for tennis elbow. We're going to be using two types of tape. One is called hypofix, which is going to be the base layer, and the other one is going to be our Leukotape. So we're going to be doing what's called an extensor glide, which is basically the muscles of your wrist extensors that are affected in tennis elbow attach on your lateral epicondyle, which is on the outside of your elbow, right here, this bony bump here. And what we're doing is we're trying to change where the forces are being distributed when you do repetitive movements that involve cocking your wrist back, which are pulling in that area. The tendon that attaches to the bone is pulling on that area, so we're trying to change the forces by doing an extensor glide. So first we're gonna apply our hypofix. This is just the base layer, more so for making it more comfortable to apply the more rigid Leukotape, okay? So we're gonna apply this here, and then again, it'd be easier if somebody else was there to help you with it, but in this case, I'm just going to show you. I'm pulling with my thumb to change where the forces are being distributed, and then I'm just applying that Leukotape over. So this can help mimic a tennis elbow strap that you see some people wearing. They're putting it on, again, just 1 centimeter past where the muscles of the wrist extensors attach. And again, it serves a similar role. Obviously, this is just, it can be quicker or it can be easier to incorporate if you don't have access to one of those, and also cheaper as well. And yeah, give that a go and see if that provides any relief. Obviously, this isn't a quick fix. This should be combined with a comprehensive treatment approach that combines, stretching, strengthening, gradual loading exercise to help with the overall symptoms, because tennis elbow is stubborn. It doesn't get better generally on its own. It's something that can linger. So definitely including this as part of a holistic treatment program is going to increase your chances of improving from this condition. So it's best to go speak with a physiotherapist or see one to put you on that plan. But in the interim, this is something that can be tried and applied and can usually provide pretty quick relief. So give that a go. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information valuable, please give a like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video.